the examples of this coordinate geometry, we'll use distance formula to solve these examples. Do the points 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3 and 2, 3 form a triangle? So if we have to find if the points are forming a triangle, we remember the property sum of two sides is greater than the third side. If this property exhibits, then it can form a triangle. So label these points as A, B, C. First I'll write the distance formula over here. Distance formula is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First I'll find out the distance AB. Under root of minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 whole square, which is equals to minus 5 whole square is 25 plus 25 is root 50. I'll leave it as root 50 only. Then find distance BC. Under root of 2 minus minus 2 is 2 plus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 3 whole square, which is 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36, which is root 52. Again AC. AC is 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square, which is 1 plus 1 is root 2. So we have to find if AB square plus AC square, if we find out, so 50 plus 2 is 52 and which is equals to BC square. So therefore it is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. If we write A, B and this is B, this is A and this is C. AB was root 50, AC was root 2 and BC came out to be root 52. So it is a right angle triangle at A. Show that the points are the vertices of a square. If we find all the sides and show that all sides and diagonals are equal. So if all sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, then it is a square. First we'll label these points A, B, C and D. First find AB. Under root of 4 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 7 whole square, which is 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, which is root 34. Next we find BC. BC is minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 whole square, which is 5 square 25 plus 3 square is 9, root 34. Next CD. Minus 4 minus 1 is plus 4 plus CD 4 minus 1 whole square, which is 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, which is root 34. And finally DA is 1 minus 4 is plus 4 whole square and 7 minus 4 whole square, which is 5 square plus 9 is root 34. Now see, we can see all the sides are equal. Now we have to find diagonals as well, that is AC. So minus 1 square plus minus 1 minus 7 square will be 2 square is 4, 8 square is 64, so root 68. Now find BD. BD will be minus 4 square plus 4 minus 2 square, which is 8 square is 64, 4. Since all sides are equal and also the diagonals are equal, therefore it is a square. Now the third question, we have been given 3 points. Do you think these points are on a line? If these are collinear points, then we can say that these are stating on a line. First find distance AB, which is under root of 6 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square, which is 3 square is 9, 3 square is 9, which is root 18. 18, 2 9s are 3 root 2. Now find BC. BC will be 8 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square, which is 4 plus 4 root 8, 2 root 2. Now find AC. 8 minus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 1 whole square, which is 5 square is 25. 8 minus 3 is 5 and 6 minus 25. So root 50 and root 50 will be 5 root 2. Now AB plus BC is equals to AC. Therefore these are on a point. Here AB, this is BC and this will be our AC. So therefore these are collinear points. Fourth example, give a relationship between x and y such that xy is equidistant. Label these as AB and this as O. If OA is equals to OB, therefore their squares will also be equal, or x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square will be equals to x minus 3 square plus y minus 5 square. So a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square minus 14x plus 49 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 is equals to x square minus 6x plus 3 is 9 plus y square minus 10y plus 25. So continuing, x square gets cancelled because here it will come and x square minus x square will be 0. Y square also gets cancelled. Now what is left is minus 14x minus 2y plus 50 is equals to minus 6x minus 10y plus 34. So it will come here minus 14x plus 6x minus 2y plus 10y plus 50 minus 34 is 0. So what we'll get is minus 8x plus 8y plus 16 is 0. So take 8 minus 8 common, x minus y minus 2 is 0. Therefore x minus y is equals to 2. This becomes an equation. Find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from points. A point on y-axis, that means a point is over here. So any point on the y-axis, its x coordinate will be 0. So let us suppose our point is 0, y. So the distance between AC and BC are same. Therefore AC square is equals to BC square. So 6 minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus y whole square is equals to minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus y whole square. That means 6 square is 36 plus 25 minus 10y plus y square is equals to 16 plus 9 plus y square minus 6y. Y square gets cancelled. 36 plus 25 is 61 minus 10y is equals to 25 minus 6y. So minus 10y plus 6y is equals to 25 minus 61. So minus 4y is equals to minus 6 and this is 36. Therefore y is equals to 9. So our coordinate is 0, 9, which is equidistant from the points 6, 5 and minus 4, 3. I can check out the distance C, A, B. First find AC. So it is under root of 6 minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus 9 square, which is under root of 36 plus 416, which is root 52. And BC is equals to root minus 4 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 9 whole square. So it is equals to 416 plus 6 square is 36, which is root 52. Therefore AC is equals to BC. So our answer is correct. So our coordinate was 0, 9. Thank you.